Fine, let me go with the problem number 6 right here. There are 222 red balls in a basket. See, 222 red balls. That is red balls in a basket. A boy takes out 6 red balls from it and replaces it by 12 white balls. So he is going to take out 6 red balls and he is going to replace it with 12 white balls. Right. So he continues to do so till all red balls are replaced by white balls. Then the number of white balls put it in the basket is, right, we are supposed to find total number of white balls. So now see take a series here, 6. So red balls, and he is going to place, so white balls, right, 12. Again he is going to remove 6, again 12, again 6, 12 white balls, 6, 12. So now just stop it here, continuous, it will continuously go till all red balls are going to be replaced by white balls, right. That is going to be here what happens, 6, 6. If it is 12 here, it becomes 24. If it is 6, it is become 12. If it is now 3 red balls, 3 into 6, that is 18. 12 into 3, 36. So what you can observe here, 6 becomes 12, right, 12 becomes 24, and 18 becomes 18 red balls. If he take out, he is going to replace white balls with 36, and as well as 24 with 48. So by observing here, it is doubling. 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 18 2s are 36, 24 2s are 48. Now how many red balls are there? It is 222 red balls are there. It is doubling, just multiplied with 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 and 4. Answer here is 444. Option B is the right one.